Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to code tweet on the Twitter. This is the latest feature on the Twitter. How you can use this feature, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, what is code tweet on the Twitter? So this is basically a co-tweet with your friend, like you are using on the Instagram, that you can collab with your friend on the Instagram. This is similar to that. So how you can use it? So first of all, you can simply normally write a tweet, and after that you will find a co-tweet icon, and you can choose your co-author from your follower and then select send invite, and it will go to the DM of your friend or the follower. After that, once your friend or the follower will accept that, you both will be authors of that tweet. So this is the way. This feature is just available for few countries right now, so my country not supporting this feature right now, so I just give you an idea about it. So this is the way to code tweet on the Twitter. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.